everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm Linda and this is my crochet nook. I have a parcel to share with you today. A couple of weeks ago, Deramores had a sale on of their yarn, and when I get notifications that there's sales and offers, I always put it in my community tab. So I would check there sometimes if you're interested. And so I've got a pair of scissors and I'm going to chop into this, and let's see what I've got, because for the life of me I can't remember what I bought, but it should be fun, shouldn't it? Hey, so although I don't know where I'm going to put it. Oh, nice. So, you know how much I love Deramores anti-pilling yarn. I actually got some purple, and purple's my favourite colour. Love purple. And this is so squishy and soft. So that's the colour. And as I said, it's Deramores double knit. And the colour is purple, and it's 100 grams, 250 mils, 273 yards, 100% acrylic, and it is knitting needles 5mm US 8 or 4mm crochet hook US G6. So yeah, so I got five of them. So that's one lot. And I think I paid 98p a ball, so that's not bad. Then I got some red. I got some of the nice red, and this is raspberry. Isn't that a lovely red? Again, this is double knit, but I really like that colour. Really nice. If I just show it to you. So I've got 5 of them. What else did I buy? Oh, I got, they do a 50-gram ball now in the, and I've not got much of the cream, I've not got much cream. So, and this is called Pearl. Isn't it nice? Again, it's the anti-pilling, and it's Deramores. There's 50 grams, 125 meters, 136 yards. Again, the same hook, 5mm knitting needle, 4mm crochet hook, which I believe is a G8. G6, I beg your pardon, and it's machine wash, cold rinse, short spin, and do not wring. And it's the same with all the anti-pilling. So I got 10 of them, so I've got 500. And you know, if you've been watching me a while in my hauls, you know that I always like to buy 5 or more. And the last colour I got is again the Deramores, because it was only, the 100 grams was only at 98 pence. Oh gosh, that is just delicious. And this is ultramarine. So and it is again the double knit, so I'm really pleased. So I got them colours, and I got the cream. So they're what I bought. I couldn't not get it, to be honest. I do have an affiliate with Deramores, but I don't have a link like I do with Amazon. And again, I've got an Amazon affiliate link down below. And yes, so check out my community tabs on my video, on my channel, because whenever I get an email off Deramores with special offers and that, I always put there. And if you click on the links, to be honest, I'm not sure how it works. I did kind of contact them, and they told me I needed to do something which I haven't done as yet because I've been quite busy, but I will sort it out. So if you do click on the links, thank you very much. I'm much appreciated, and I hope to see you all again real soon. Take care, stay safe, and thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.